Hey guys, so today I thought I'd do a remake video of the 30-inch Canarm, not Canarm, Litex Vortex. So my plan was for this fan, as you know, we have the new Home Decorators Collection Ash by Park. Which, there it is right there, it's on low. I just put it back on low after I just filmed that video. So when I was putting this up, I was gonna obviously I put that fan in there, and I was gonna take the Canarm Twister, which you can see it right here. I was gonna put it here with the Litex is, and then I was gonna move the Litex out into the garage. So that didn't end up happening. My garage, I didn't see the good in that, so I was like, oh well, I'll just slap the globe on the old Canarm globe on the Litex. I also flipped the blades too, because it used to wobble like a ton, but then I kind of took it apart, and then it wobbles slightly now on high, but not as bad as it used to. So yeah, fun fact, that one's it actually has its date code. It's from May of 2001. I didn't see the date code on this one because I didn't take it fully down. I took off the motor housing, and that's about it. So yeah, it's got bleached oak on the one side and white on the other. It had the white on it for a while. I decided to flip the bleached oak because it kind of matched the furniture, like the dresser, the bunk bed, and the table there. So yeah, so we'll start. There's the light. Here's low. I kind of like the Canarm globe on here. I think it looks cool. Hey, here's the Canarm. I'm gonna put this up in the garage. Yeah, I've got the blades. I'm pretty sure I put all the screws somewhere. Yeah, so that's gonna go out into the garage. Yeah, so there's low. Here is medium. I can see it shaking a tiny bit. Just gonna make sure that was on medium. I wasn't sure. Give you a top shot. Out. Yeah, it's swaying a tiny bit. It's wobbling a tiny bit. Now for high. It's weird that I can see it shaking a little bit, but it's good for it. It's basically not shaking at all. Still cranking out air. I was possibly going to put another one of these here, but then I thought, because of a bunk bed, that might not be a good idea, so this fan is probably going to stay. Plus it looks better because it has like the Canarm globe on it. So yeah, there's the remake of the sound.